So it is looking like you probably have a bad bearing.
Bad wheel bearing?
Yeah, because when you spin it, and you feel right here.
Yeah.
You want to feel right there?
Where?
Grab up right here. And I rotate.
On the spring?
Yeah. You feel how it's moving a little bit?
Yeah, there's
like
action.
Yeah, that's going to mean more likely than not you do have a bad bearing.
Is it just this one bearing or is it both?
It's on both sides.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't taken a look at the brakes yet because I wanted to shake down the front.
I just had the brakes redone.
Yeah.
I got new tires and new brakes, and that was like $1,500. Now I got to get new wheel bearings. That's another $800.
Yeah, we can't really know for sure until we get a quote.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, at least we know what the problem is.
Yeah.
So you think they went bad because I was going through, I do a lot of Walmart Spark deliveries, and I go through apartments, and they got all the speed bumps and everything. And I keep hitting those speed bumps all the time. You think I could have done it?
It maybe did. They just wear out over time, you know.
How long do bearings last? 100,000 miles?
I can't say. I don't know for sure. Probably
Everyone's
depends
different?
on yeah, it's probably different depending on which car you have.
Some cars 200,000.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cars are built.
Depends how you drive.
Yeah. Yeah, it depends on lots of factors. It's hard to say for sure.
I'm a delivery driver in Uber Eats and everything, so I do a lot of driving, so I got to do a lot of repairs all the time.
Yeah.
It's just one of those wear and tear things you got to deal with all the time. Okay. Well, thanks. All right, I'll just wait.